Do you want to keep your Pinterest profile private and control who sees your pins? In this video, I will show you how to make your Pinterest profile private so you can manage your visibility and protect your content. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to Pinterest app. You will click on this sign of profile. You will move to your profile. In this page of your profile, you will move to settings, so we click on your settings. After that, in this page of settings, you will find here profile visibility, so we click on your profile visibility, and then we'll find here private profile. Only people you approve can view your profile, pins, boards, followers, and following lists. So we click here to enable this feature. We click make private. So this is how it works. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by liking.